Welcome to USA Digi Reviews. I'm Ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the product called Parlay by Debbie Drum. Okay, so this is the first time I reviewed Debbie Drum, so I checked out the product, went through the members area, checked out the course. So I'm going to recommend this product to you only if you are a beginner. Okay, if you're intermediate or advanced, this won't help you because you might be using these techniques already. So the gist of this course is that it's going to teach you how to create bonuses for your affiliate projects, right? So if you're doing affiliate marketing for a certain product, you usually create your own custom bonuses, which is the best way to do it because you're not only branding yourself, you're also teaching them something valuable that the product or service may have left out. That's the way to create a good custom bonus. So she's going to show you how to do that in here. So like I said, it's a good course for beginners if you're not into how to do this stuff. But if you're intermediate or advanced, then you probably already kind of know, maybe a little bit different than she does it, but you pretty much know. So she's going to show you how to rank higher on the leaderboards to become a super affiliate pretty much by using this method. Okay, so that's what it's all about. So we're going to go through the sales page, the members area, and all that good stuff. And I'm going to leave something for you guys in the bonus section in Warrior Plus if you pick up this product using my link, of course. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Let's just make it a surprise this time. It's going to be something helpful. It's going to be something cool, and it's going to help you. Okay? So let's go over this. As you can see right now, it has 500 plus sales. 17% conversion rate. The visitor value is $4.18, and it has 1% refund rate. Not bad, right? Okay, so this product actually launched on the 8th, and it's ending today. If we take a look at the affiliate contest right here, it's ending today. So maybe you can help me jump up to the leaderboards if you get this product from me. So I notified my list of this, and I'm going to be frank and honest that if you're a beginner and you're on my list, then go ahead and get this. If you're a little bit more advanced, then this may not be something worth your while because you may be doing this already. So this is her other products that are available, and as you can see, she's doing pretty well. 500 plus sales here, 50 sales, 1,000 sales, 250 sales, 500 sales, and 500 sales. Let's take a look at this one here, $27. She had made 1,000 sales, so that's $27,000, guys. Now keep in mind that of course, you got PayPal fees, you got other fees that come out, affiliate commission fees, but she's doing pretty good. Okay, so let me just go through the basic how this is going to work. So if you use the link in my description for this review video, you're going to go to the sales page, right? Then you're going to check out, and then you're going to get an email. You're also going to get an email from Warrior Plus with your receipt, of course. Then you can go to Warrior Plus, log in, get to the product through there, and also my bonus with the blue link. But I'm going to show you how she's doing it through the email process from her. So you're going to get an email from her, right? It's going to look something like this after you purchase the product, and it says click here to access your purchase. So once you click that button, it's going to take you to thanks for your purchasing Parlay here, and then you just simply click the button to register. You're going to fill in your email, your address, all those details to create your account, your password, whatnot, however you want it. And then once you do that, it'll take you to actually this page, which will show the products that you may have purchased from her. All of them will be in here in this one account, but this is the product that we're taking a look at here. Okay, so this is what the members area looks like. We're going to come back to this in a second. Let's go ahead and check out the sales page first. So secret method revealed, never shared before. Underground method will double and even triple your daily passive online sales for 2019 and beyond. Any niche, no previous skills needed, newbie friendly. Okay, so secret method, I would say if you're a beginner, this would be a secret method to you because you may not be using it. Never shared before. I would agree with that because she probably never shared this before, except for in this course. If you hear some thunder and rain, it's raining outside and we're close to the window right here, so the sound's coming through, just to let you know on that. So go ahead and watch the video, guys. Pretty much goes over everything for you. She's got some screenshots in here further down the page of her earnings and stuff that she's using with this system. So I can vouch that this actually works if you use your own bonus to entice people. Stop making online sales so hard and use my methods instead. It works. Yes, bonuses do work. So she goes over the different modules here. Okay. Let's see, money back guarantee, 14-day money back guarantee. Okay, got some testimonials here. I don't know if this price is going up, guys, but it's set right now at $15.69. Okay, so here's a recap of what you get. Secret parlay method, 10 done for you parlay ideas, short over-the-shoulder video training on how to do the method, written summaries of the videos, tracking worksheet, or cash in your pocket. Bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is high value bonuses, solutions when you don't have the time. And bonus number 3, 30,000 visitor per month free traffic method. Okay guys, so go ahead, read everything on the page. Make sure you check everything out on here, watch the video, and see what you think. So let's go ahead now and check out the course. So here's what the course is going to look like. So you get a welcome video here. You have parlay method explained video course, parlay steps, 10 done for you parlay ideas, your bonus tracking template, and here's your 3 bonuses right here. And there's also the ability in here to get the upgrades if you want to. Okay, so my final thoughts on parlay is if you are new, if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to create bonuses and a few tips and tricks in there on affiliate marketing, go ahead and pick this up. Okay, so thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.